Umholi weUDM uJenene uBantu Holomisa usephakamise ukuthi Umengameli uRamaphosa ahlabe ikhefu elikhethekile kusaphenywa ngokuziphatha kwakhe esigamekweni sokuphanga eplazini lakhe ePhalaphala eLimpopo. Owayeyinhloko yezobunhloli usole uMongameli uRamaphosa ngokuhlukumeza aphinde agwazele lezinswelaboya ezeba izigidi zamadola eplazini lakhe. Lo mholi weUDM uthi abehluleli asebathatha umhlala phansi kumele basungule isigcawu kuphenywe iqhaza likaMongameli kuloko.
We think that the president should go on a sabbatical leave up until mid-August, because the role of the security forces, which he is commander-in-chief, will have to be probed also in this saga. So for that reason, therefore, the best is for him to go home and wait and let this inquiry start now.
Umengameli uRamaphosa ophinda abe ngumongameli weqembu elibusayo uthi la kudlalwa umlabalaba wezombusazwe okuqondwe ngawo ukungcolisa igama lakhe njengoba kubhekwe engqungqutheleni yokuqoka ubuholi bakazwelonke ku-ANC ngoZibandlela nonyaka. Izolo ngenkathi evala inquthela yokuqoka ubuholi isifundazweni iLimpopo, uMongameli uRamaphosa uthi lezi insolo angeke zize zimdikibalise futhi uzobhekana noma yisiphi isigcawu.
I want to reaffirm that I was not involved in any criminal conduct, and once again I pledge my full cooperation with any form of investigation. Now, due to the investigation, I will not really be able to engage deeply or further on this matter, as it should allow the due process to take place.
Umengameli weANC uthi empeleni incane imali eyebiwa kunale edalulwayo kanti bekuyimali etholakala ngokudayisa imfuyo yakhe ekuleli plazi. Ngingusamkele Maseko, izindaba zeSABC, ngibika ngiseGoli.